Welcome back, friends. Today we're going to continue decoding and reading two-syllable words with short vowels using the VC-CV pattern. Let's review using the word candy. If I have the word candy, I can chunk the word into can-D, splitting up the word in between the two consonants N and D. Remember, when we have two consonants next to each other in the word, that's where we're going to split the word up into two syllables. Can-D. Using our book, The Case of the Gasping Garbage, I want you to locate the following words. Pencil on page 2, problem on page 3, and publish on page 3. If we look at the word pencil, we know that we can chunk that word into two syllables in between two consonants N and C, chunking it out into the two syllables pen-sul. Now let's do the same thing for the words problem and publish. First, I want you to find those in the textbook, and then I want you to read those aloud with your learning guide and see if you can chunk those out. When you are ready, you may continue this video. Let's check how you did. Let's look at the word problem from page 3. Did you chunk out the word problem into problem in between the consonants B and L? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. You did a great job. Let's also look at the word publish from page 3. That's another two-syllable word, publish. I also split that word in between the two consonants B and L. Ironically, they both had the same consonants. Great job! That's all for today, friends. We worked on decoding and reading two-syllable words with short vowels using the VC-CV rule. Good luck today on your coursework!